We'll guide you through how to connect Printify to Shopify. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Shopify website and log into your account. Once you're in your Shopify dashboard, look over to the left-hand side and click on the Apps section. This is where you can manage all your Shopify applications. In the Apps section, you need to click on Visit Shopify App Store, which will open a new tab. In the search bar of the App Store, type Printify and hit enter. When you see the Printify app, click on it and then you'll notice an Add App button. Click on that to begin the installation process. It will ask for your confirmation. So click Install App to proceed. Once Printify is installed, you'll be redirected to the Printify login page. If you already have an account, simply log in. If not, you can create one right there by filling in your details and setting a password. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Printify dashboard. Now you need to connect your Shopify store to your Printify account. Look for the My Stores tab in Printify and click on it. Here you'll see an option to connect a new store. Click on Connect and select Shopify from the list of available platforms. A new window will pop up asking for your Shopify store URL. Enter it and click Connect My Store. Printify will request permission to integrate with your Shopify store, so make sure to allow access. After granting permission, your Shopify store will be successfully linked with Printify. You can now start designing and publishing products directly from Printify to your Shopify store. This integration allows you to manage print-on-demand products seamlessly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.